So today I'm building in public. I'm on vacation at work from today until the end of this week. And I will spend these days to help with coding tasks for WeDance. My focus will be on finishing register sign up, migrating data, setting up the database on production. You can join YouTube stream and also to see how I work or ask questions, etc. So, so first of all, I'm gonna check if this looks like that, but I will not get any notification, will I? That's an interesting. So I have here my stream. So if someone is there, oh my God, it has subtitles already on YouTube. That's very interesting. So where do we start? Maybe I shall share my screen. Let's see how it goes. Share my screen. You probably should be able to see my screen right now. I probably want to disable all my notifications, at least for 1 hour, so I can focus. An important thing to do. And I will jump over to GitHub and see what do I work on today. Here is my task. Noise. So that's what I need to do. And I already tried to do it once and it didn't work as expected. Anyhow, meanwhile, I made the migration of the database. So let's see, I need the v4 and Where's my term? Okay, terminal is here. That's nice. So first of all, I'm gonna pull the main branch. It worked. Nice. Gonna do the NVM use. By the way, this is something very annoying. Like, why do I need to write NVM use every time? Also, I noticed there are some things in the README file, like these prerequisites, and there are so many steps in the setup. I would like it to be just like one command, like make build and make start or something like this, and then it just works and it checks like everything that's in here. So that's a good idea. It probably takes me more than 5 minutes. So what will I do in this case? I think it would be great to create a ticket for that. So let's set up a new issue. Blank issue. Nice. So set up in one command. As a developer, I want to set up a project in one command so that I can start working faster. So currently in README, there are a lot of prerequisites, and setup commands to run. It would be nicer if we have if we run it does all the checks and setup and installs everything that's missing. Also, it should know on which system it's running. And then I just need to run make start and project starts. So I'll assign it to myself. The type is it's a feature. It's actually a chore. It's not a feature. Relationship. That's new. Never seen that before. Oh, I can create a branch. Interesting. And I can put it in the project. So let's put it in the relaunch project. So I'll put it in to-do. And I'm gonna put it in this iteration. The estimate here is 2 or 3. Size, priority. team. Let's say it's backend. Alrighty, right. So ideas aside, so it's working, and what I need to do is I haven't touched the project in a while, so maybe I need to do npm install first. Okay, it's working. Then make build. Yeah, of course, there's a database. Unable to get image. Cannot connect to Docker daemon. Yeah, that would be nice that it runs it automatically. That's exactly the point. So, well, that just means I need to run orb stack, and it says service not running. So maybe I just need to click start here. So, let's try my build again. That works. So let's do the pnpm dev. And that works too. Now let's see if so the client warmed up. There is no much found with the path cities. So the Boy Scout rule. I found a problem. Well, I found the README problem. I just created an issue for that. Now I found there is a warning from router because there are no cities. Let's just fix it. So, see, it is. We need to look at pages folder, and they're probably no cities. So how would the cities look like? I think they should look like on the home page, just like this. I think it's, yeah, I don't really know it now, but let's just copy the events. Let's call it cities. Cities already exist. All right. So cities already is there, but there is no index. So let's just copy this over here. Can I just copy? Okay. And that's all advanced cities. Cities list. Um, So I don't want to do here anything except fixing this road notification. But I want to create a branch. Oh, I like how it created the branch. So what I will do now is switch the branch. And I'm gonna commit that change. Fix suitors road not found. Publish branch. Nice. So now the cities, when I click browse all, it shows done cities, but here we have events. That's fine. I mean, it's a bug, but someone will fix it, hopefully, at some point. Right. So we need to work on the sign-in, and I already have here the working sign-in on the another version. So let's see if I have another version. Should be 3.5. Yep. 3.5. Yep. So where do we start with the sign in? Sign in. Sign in. Excuse me. When I click sign in, I go to login. Okay, then let's find the login. Login is over here. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. So what do we have from the backup? Oh, we don't have accounts there yet, but we already have a schema for accounts, right? Let's check in the Prisma schema. Okay, I want this file to stay, so I will click Command R, Enter. Works. So now it's not cursive, that means it will stay here. That's cool. And now I have schema Prisma, where I will check what is the database that we have. So we have account, we have session, we have verification token user. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. So where are we now? So we have the database, do we? So let's check if we have the database. So for this, I need to check the package JSON to see which comments we have. We should have pnpm prisma, and then we call studio. Ta-da! We have the database. So do we have users? Ew, 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 ew. What do they mean? Wait. Do we have user? Yeah, we have a user. Nice, nice, cool. Okay. So, I want to migrate the functionality as is. So what I will do on 3.5 with go. What's the difference between those two? Okay. As for now, I think this looks fine, I guess. But oh my God, I love this. I love this that we have a login form separately and register form. And here we have everything in place, which would be nicer to do the same architecture. But for now, you know what? Well, I don't know. Let's see. We're gonna start with login because we still don't have any registration task. Probably we have to start with register form, but it's more difficult. Okay, register form. I need to start writing down the to-dos that I want to do. So maybe let's create a new file. I will probably just save it somewhere on the desktop. So let's call it to-dos markdown. That's fine. Okay. So for the registration, why don't I have any highlights here? Like syntax highlighting? Hello? Any syntax highlighting? Nothing. Nice. Okay. Not cool. Markdown. Still no highlighting. Okay. I'm fine with that. I just need, I just need a text. I just need to write down what is my to-dos are. So what's my next to-do? Why can't you just be marked down? Why don't you work? I want you to work. Okay, registration. What we probably, okay, let's call it authentication, right? So first thing I need to do is register form, then I need a login form. Then I need the tRPC endpoint. Then I need end-to-end tests. Do I? Well, that's like more or less like optional. So anything else that I need to do here? We already have the database. Okay, let's read. What do we need? Yep. Yep. Matching. Yep. Easy. So register form, login form. So So this is the form. This is the login form, but the register is different. Oh, where is the register page? Register. Oh, register is a folder. Okay. And okay. Nice. But I would prefer this to be in a separate file. We'll just create a separate file. Okay. So the register form, it shouldn't take long, but let's give it an hour. Let's give, no, it's not 1 hour. Let's give it 15, 30 minutes for this, 30 minutes for this, 30 minutes for this. This might take longer. Last time we had problems there. So I will use my timer to remind me every 5 minutes that, hey, guy, please focus. So my timer is over here, set for 5 minutes. Also here, I'm gonna say what time I started. So I started this at 10:30. Before that, it was kind of like a preparation. So, and how long we've been here live? Oh, half an hour. So let's say that was the preparation or setup. That was 30 minutes. So I started something around 10, right? Until 10:30. Or what time did I start? Yeah, I started at 10. So that's fine. And then 10:30, I'm starting to work on that. So register form. Let's focus only on that part. I want to see what structure I used here. It's just components forms. So let's do the same. Let's find where the components are. Form. So this is not form. Those we'll handle this later. So let's just call it forms. So here I figured we can do it later. So refactor form into input. Well, this shouldn't take long. Let's give it 15 minutes. All right, now focusing on that part, I need to create. I created the folder forms. Great. Now here I will create register form view, right? Or what's the name of this register form? That's fine. That's fine. Oh, I love this architecture. Love it. Love it. Form submit on submit. And here, what do we have? Form submit, handle submit. I think that's great. The only thing we need to take from here is the form, and we have to put it in the template. Done. Now we need to create script setup, right, like this. And now here we're gonna use register form. And we're gonna take these parts of the script. I think this whole thing comes as a logical part over here. Setup long.ts. And then we are left out with absolutely no script here, which I love it. It's so good. It's so beautiful. So the register form will be the only part that has some logic, which is the same way it was in 3.5. So do I need this? I don't need this part. I just need to see the code. Here, probably neither do I need these parts over here. And if I were to do it like this, okay, maybe this one, I will bring it over here. I don't need the terminal now, so this looks cool. Now, we have here use registration, and this one does work differently. So the create account here, and this one does, okay, what is the create? So there is a timer that 5 minutes, and I need to give myself a gift because for 5 minutes I was focusing on work, which is amazing. That means we're on track. So what does create account do? This comes from user registration. What is the user registration? The user registration is some composable which does quite a lot of stuff, but it just mocks. So we don't really need this user registration. So we can actually do here this whole part with await login register, which I think is fine. So here is called on submit, and here is called handle submit. Which one is more beautiful? Well, this one is done some handle submit async, and this is ew. And then on success, it have to redirect somewhere. So let's get this part on submit over here. And then form is reactive. And we want to say that form is like this. And then the schema is like this. And we remove this part. We have username validator, no multiple period, like this. We don't have Zod, so let's get the Zod and view sooner. And these two guys as well. Okay, probably don't need the router for now, that's fine. I don't know what is register. Seems like we're not gonna use this prop, it's not used anywhere, so that's fine. So then we are missing these parts. And finally, we see which parts are missing right now. Yeah, the handle submit we won't need. We only need on submit, so we put on submit here. Now, I'm not sure how we're gonna approach to this user type, blah, blah. So, you know what I'm gonna do? Actually, well, here we are not really using the, you know, the form, how it's done in ShadCN. So ShadCN is using form field and form item and form label. So probably for now, I'm just gonna take this as is. So, and then later we can come back to it. So basically I just copied this whole file just as it was, but I didn't get this part with the register prop. I'll check it again. No, it's not used anywhere. So the register form is there now, and it's used in the on the page, which is fine. The only two things now here missing is use app auth, and we need to find where the use app auth is used, and this is just a composable. So we can copy this composable as is. So composable, use app auth as is. Love it. Perfect. Now there is a use auth, which is not available, but it's available over here. And it comes from site-based Nuxt auth. So now back to my to-do list. I need to, okay, add dependencies is part of the register form. Another 5 minutes, I was on the track. Yoo-hoo! Congrats, congrats. Yep, okay. So we need the use auth here. And this comes from, there's some dependencies missing, right? So let's look over it. Dependencies. Auth. Okay, do I need this prisma adapter? So we definitely need site-based Nuxt auth in the dev dependencies. How it's true. So I'm gonna add it in the end, and this looks fine. So, and there is a next auth in the dependencies. So let's add it over here. Not used, great. And then we have some prisma adapter. Probably we also need that. So let's just add it here. Now let's see how it's configured in the Nuxt config. And let's do the same thing here. So for now, I stop it and do the pnpm install. So dependencies installed. Let's see how to actually connect it. So what do we need to connect over here? We need next auth in the modules. And that's all. And then here we need the auth under modules. Okay, let's put it here. And that's all, I guess. So finally, I think there is something to do with tRPC. Let's just copy it over. Server tRPC. We have a context. Context is fine. Routers tRPC. It's also fine. And prisma. Environment. It's fine. Yeah. Middleware? No. API? Auth? Another 5 minutes on track. Cool. So I think we need just this API auth. Let's see what do we have here in the server folder. Server folder API. Okay, we just need to add API auth, and okay. We need to add this guy. Let's see. Yep. Okay. It should be in the dependencies. Let's do it in the dev dependencies and see if it works. Anything. Okay, let's do npm install again and see if it resolves this. What is auth and why it's not being added? So we have the Google provider. Nice, but we are not actually using it. Anyhow, that's all seems cool. Too cool to be true. But is it all I need? That's a good question. That's a good question. Whew. No. My internet is bad now. So I feel like I have no internet connection at all. So where are we? Where are we? Where are we right now? Still. Hmm. Hmm. So during these last 5 minutes, I was trying to invite a few more people to view the session or accompany me. I feel a little bit bored. I would like to socialize a little bit. So I'm going now on my LinkedIn and trying to post an announcement that I'm building in public. But so here we go. Mhm, mhm, mhm. All right. So where were we? We were here bringing stuff to life, right? So I was at the API auth, and we are currently here, which is super cool. Cool. So there is something going on here. User is possibly null and da. That's fine. What I want to do is, I don't know what I want to do. I want maybe to start the server again and see if it works. Maybe I missed something in the Nuxt config. Let's go over it again while it's starting. What about this compatibility date? Oh. Oh, we don't have it here, but it might be, we might need it. Not quite sure. TypeScript shim false, that might help us with some TypeScript errors. Oh, source maps is also a nice thing. Do we need to add that or not? Anything I'm missing over here? Well, we definitely need to add the environment variable check when starting. There is also this nice debug through in SSR. Hmm. Interesting. What else I might be missing? So I think everything connected to authentication is here. And then we have the use auth. So let's just focus now on what we have and see if it works. So now we are back to the start page and see if there's any errors. So if I click on sign up, does it work? Kind of works. there's this part that doesn't work with the selector. And why it doesn't work? Because there is something in the register form, some missing control, like radio group is not installed. So for this, we probably stop the server and then look at the package.json if we already have some shared CN script. We don't. We don't have shared CN script. But we have it in 3.5, don't we? So let's look over here. And yep, we have. Okay, this 5 minutes was actually on track. So let's just try to add this UI shared CN. Anything else we might need from here? I think everything is fine. So let's find view shared CN. And that was something like radio control. Radio control. Where is it? Radio control. I forgot the name. So register form, radio group, it's called radio group, cool. So to install this, I need to run, what if I do that? Will that work? If that works, then I don't need this command over here. So let's just try it. We have all the shadcn configuration in place, don't we? Of course, it should be there. It should be there. Well, if this fails, that means we're missing something, but that's fine. Hi guys, I see there are a few people watching the stream. Let me know that you're there. Please write something in the chat. And if you're interested in something particular, I can jump into it. So could you please say a few words like, where are you from? Like, I'm from Munich, Germany. Well, I'm not, obviously, you can hear it, but I live in Munich, right? So if you would like to, you can write something in comments and we can have some interaction. Currently, I'm working on a Nuxt project with vue.js, CN, Tailwind, and I'm trying to migrate the authentication from my previous project to the new project. And I'm currently installing the missing component, which is the radio group from shadcn. Maybe if you let me know how, what's your experience, what framework you're using, I can also show you what's the differences. Well, but if you just want to watch and you don't want to interact, that's fine, and I will just focus on what I'm doing. All right. So, invalid component JSON. Great, not great. So that means we're gonna look up what packages we had in the previous. Oh no, here is 11, 11.3. Here is a 10.4. Might need to migrate that. That's fine. Let's just do pnpm. Instead of the latest, we're gonna do pnpm UI add radio group. That should work. No, doesn't work. And that doesn't work because why? The registry not found. They changed something in ChatCN, didn't they? I don't like when they change things. I don't like it. And perfect. Not perfect. Okay, so before I start upgrading here anything like these packages, I just gonna commit everything I have so that I can get back here. So what I did was to add register form, but it's still in progress. 5 minutes went through and I was focused on the task. That's cool. So that means I need a component from the UI. Or did I just want to upgrade the ChatCN? I will upgrade it later. Yeah, okay, I will just copy the radio group. There might be a thing we will need to address later. And I'm pretty sure there is a problem with that. So we are using semantic classes for that looks good, actually. I think it might even work as is. That's fine. That's cool. I'm happy about it. So, oh, okay. So maybe I just need to resave these files to follow the prettier format. That's fine. So now I just do the pnpm dev. I can close this for now. And I'll say that here I add ChatCN radio group. That's fine. Let's see. So we were here and it wasn't working. Now radio group is there and I can even select it. Okay, one thing that's missing here is the city. Another component that's missing. No problem. We'll find the register form and we'll find the city, and we have here a city input. So all we need to do is find where the city input is, and it's in the inputs. Maybe let's copy all of the inputs, components, component inputs, city input, button, Cool. So, oh, Google Maps API in the lib. Nice. So we have here some utils and lib. Okay, we have here utils, so let's just get the Google Maps API. So actually, there is no dependencies over here, which I find really cool. So let's just restart. How input search drop down view. Let's restart it. I'm not sure what's going on here. Should be there. Why are you saying you cannot find it? So maybe you need to restart the TypeScript server. Restart TSR. Okay. So that's fixed. It's fine. So register. Are you working right now? Are you working? Oh, Tiger. What do you want? Oh no. You found an error, but where did you find this? Another 5 minutes on track. Love it. Where is that? Where is this utils? We don't have utils or what? What's happening? I don't like it. Utils. Do we have util? Oh, we have. But why do we have lib and why do we have util? Okay, I don't care. I'm just gonna copy over the utils. Oh, we do have utils here. Let's see which one we have, which one we don't. We have date, get labels, markdown. Let's just take them all. So here you have all the utils that you need. Okay, so get back to the before. Let's see maybe each of these things, if they have all the needed. No, we don't have markdown it. Okay, so let's find it in the package. JSON, where do you have markdown it? We probably need all of those. So let's get back to the packages. That is the dependencies. So in the dependencies, we're gonna add markdown it, which is cool. Now we need to install dependencies. And duplicate imports. Oh, no. What? Utils date has been ignored and utils format. Oh no. I'm just gonna call it old for now. Maybe. Because the other one is used more in the before. So what's going on? There is no connection, don't have internet or what? So going through it. So while it's doing some stuff over there, I'm noticing that I'm touching my face all the time. I think it's because of the hairs I have here. Hair. That's correct word, right? Hair. So this face hair. How do you guys deal with that? I mean, I always want to touch it, and then I see that actually no one is doing it during calls, but I'm basically I'm always touching my face. And when I look at it in recording later, I don't like it. But I always forget that I'm touching my face and I keep touching it. So if you have any tips on that, like, that would be cool to know. Alrighty. So what's going on here? Why is it? Surely have no internet. Another 5 minutes on track, but I'm getting exhausted with this internet connection. So internet is broken. Oh my God, I'm on 2G now. Yeah, finally. Okay, now we can start. Back on the horse. Okay, location, ensure that it's there. Is it there? Why do you want me this infos? I don't want my console to be overwhelmed with this spam. Right. Anyhow, oops. 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 Again, oops. Okay. What the hell do you want from me? Where did you find that? Why? Why? So, oh my God. And you have, oh my God. Really? You can't find utils? Really? Like, hello? Utils are over here. Utils are here. What's wrong with you? Is it? No, it's not leap. It's in the utils. Okay. Let's ask the knowledge base. What do you want? I don't want you to create anything. I just want you. The utils folder is there. Oh, really? I don't want your help. I just want to chat with. I don't want this agent. I don't want anything of that. No, thank you. Stop. Yes, I'm still there in the call. That's fine. There should be somewhere. Okay, there was something I saw in 3.5, which there should be something like something like oh my god. And this utils, what does that do? Why do I have here utils over here and I have utils over here? Okay, let's get these utils too. We have a lot of refactoring to do. Okay. That seems fine. I don't know, whatever. All I want to do is to get it working. Refactoring can be done later. Just work, work, work. It looks like this YouTube thingy just doesn't work. I mean, one watching. Maybe I'm too early. Maybe no one is working so early as I do, but I don't care. I have an energy to fix this, and I will fix it. So let's get back to the register page. Does it work now? And it is working. Why is it reloading all the time? We have some nasty things going on in the terminal. What do you want? No reloading anymore? Oh, really? I can't select my city. Really? I can't select my city. You know why? You know why? I know why. I know why. I know why you don't want to do that. Also, I don't care. I don't care. Like, add components and utils. That's fine. You know what? I'm just gonna remove all the unnecessary stuff because in the registration form, do we want to know their pronouns? At this point, I don't know. Probably not. Let's just remove this part. Let's think logical here. Do you want username? Probably. Let's remove the city. Let's make it. We don't want the username now, do we? Okay, let's let the username be there, okay? So the city, let's remove the city for now and pronouns, okay? We remove the city, the pronouns, and we'll get to the backend. Where is our backend? It's in the server backend API auth. Register. Where is the register? That's the session. That's the credentials. That's the register. So we don't need now pronouns, cd, and cd label. So that means here we won't need pronoun, cd, and label. And that means when we create a user, we just have a name, email, hash, salt. Good. Email already used. Good. City. No. If not city. Egal. Remove that. Oh, okay. So we don't have pronouns. We don't have city. We don't have that. Claim true. For now, we'll keep the username. Everything is fine. Fine. I hope so that it's fine. So it's creating the profile already. What does create? Oh, no. What does this Prisma schema look like? What do we need to have for the profile? Can we go without city? Probably. Can we go without pronouns? Yes, because it's going to be they. Can we go without city? Place ID? Yep. What about the city? Yep, yes. Fine. That's totally fine. So we should be able now to register. Still 5 minutes on track. Woohoo! Okay, so remove optional fields from register. Remove optional fields. Cool, love it. What goes next? What is this error? It's so long I can't even. Component anonymous. Which component is that? There is some component missing. That's a mystery. Okay. We have here something else found. Here, city and pronouns, which now we won't. So in the register, remove optional fields validation. Nice. Anything else I'm missing here? Oh, username validator. We need a profiles get use query. That's fine, I guess. That's something that we will need at some point. So let's find the tRPC routers. Why is it called profile? Who did that? Why did they do that? Okay, we can get. We just need one thing in the server. Server tRPC routers. It have to be called profiles, and I can just take it as is. Ew, you can't find the prisma. Come on. Just look at it in the prisma. No. You want the server prisma. Can you find it? Server? Oh, you're missing it. Because it's not there. Server prisma. Here you go. And then you don't have the environment. Fine, here is the environment. Here you go. You should now have everything. Just stop screaming at me all the time. Let's be friends. Come on. So, anyone watching? No one's watching. That's fine. I'm okay with that. I mean, the most important thing for me is to make it work. And now we're gonna get loading. Oh, okay. Whatever is going on here, there is something missing. I don't know what it is. and we will address it later. There is some terms info, that's what. Okay, let's find this component. The missing component terms info. Where is it? Terms info. It's in the forms. Okay. It's in the component forms. All right. Login form, I guess. Fine too. Let's just be there. I'm fine with that. You know, if you say so, I'm fine. Are you still mad at me? Are you gonna work today? Five minutes on track. Oh, do I need terminal? I don't need terminal. There is nothing running. I can't do Spotify right now. I didn't know. I don't need Notion. I can empty trash. It's very important to have only things that you really need when you work on something. It helps to focus. And I'm using this watch over here, and yeah, so for every 5 minutes to remind me to focus. But this technique is called Pomodoro. Pomodoro. Pomodoro technique, as you see also in the Pomodoro kitchen timer, is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 80s. It uses a kitchen timer to break work into intervals, typically 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. Each interval is known as a pomodoro, from the Italian word for tomato, after the tomato-shaped kitchen timer Cirillo used as a university student. Apps and websites providing timer and instructions have widely popularized the technique, closely related to concepts such as time boxing and iterative and incremental development used in software design. The method has been adopted in pair programming contexts. The original technique has 6 steps. Decide on the task to be done. Set the Pomodoro timer, typically for 25 minutes. Work on the task. End work when the timer rings, and take a short break, typically 5-10 minutes. Go back to step 2 and repeat until you complete 4 Pomodori. After 4 Pomodori are done, take a long break, typically 20 to 30 minutes instead of a short break. Once the long break is finished, return to step 2. For the purposes of the technique, a Pomodoro is an interval of work time and Pomodori as the plural form. The goal of the technique is to reduce the effect of internal and external interruptions on focus and flow. A Pomodoro is indivisible when interrupted during a Pomodoro. Either the other activity must be recorded and postponed using the inform, negotiate, schedule, callback strategy, or Pomodoro must be abandoned. After task completion in a Pomodoro, any remaining time should be devoted to activities. For example, review the work you just completed. Review the activities from learning point of view. What learning objective did you accomplish? What learning outcome did you accomplish? Did you fulfill your learning target, objective, or outcome for the task? Review the list of upcoming tasks for the next planned Pomodoro time block and start reflecting on or updating them. He suggests specific cases should be handled with common sense. If you finish a task while the Pomodoro is still ticking, the following rule applies. If a Pomodoro begins, it has to ring. It's a good idea to take advantage of the opportunity for overlearning using the remaining portion of the Pomodoro to review or repeat what you've done, make a small improvements, and note what you've learned until the Pomodoro rings. So basically, there are a lot of different apps for the Pomodoro. Like if you don't want to use the device, for example, this one, you can just open this website, pomofocus.io, and start using that. The pop-up notification is blocked by the browser. Please allow it by clicking on the URL bar. What? Allow notifications. Cool. Timed focus. Add task. Nice. Oh, cool, 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 cool. Ew. Okay. So instead of using my device, I'll try to use this website, which is, I think it's really cool. So, okay. Clear all tasks. Okay. Task. Estimated Pomodoros. Oh, and I can estimate here. Okay, so that's going to be register form. One Pomodoro, okay. Then, do you want to switch tasks? Then auth form, and then tRPC, and then E2E tests, right? Cool. So now I'm gonna work. Okay, what do I do next? Start. What do I do here? Why is it not clear? So here they are using like 25 minutes. But what I found for myself is that I'm gonna do the Pomodoro every 5 minutes. I'm gonna do no short breaks, no long breaks. I will just do the break when I want to do the break. Auto start breaks, auto start Pomodoros, long break interval. Alarm sound, kitchen. Oh, I can also connect the to-dos here. What? Wait. Why is it? How much? Pomodoro is 5 minutes. What the hell is this? Why is it 3:55? Okay. Here we go. Ta-da! And then what do I do with this? So I just put it over here. Then I see it's running. Nice. Okay. Anyhow, I just want to focus on what I was working on. So as you see now, you can use the Pomodoro. Another thing I wanted to check is if someone is watching. No one is watching. That's fine. No one is watching. So pin that, unpin that. All right. So that means that I can remove my to-do. Oh, I wanted also to refactor that stuff. So I'll probably add it here in the tasks. Add task, and then end-to-end tasks. So I don't know how many Pomodoros. Say like every 5. Okay. I need to get used to this tool anyhow. I want to switch back to my task. So I don't need this file anymore. I'm happy about it. So I moved it somewhere else. Oh, the terms look so nice. Okay. That means that have to work, right? No, it doesn't. No. Why? Why? What do you want? Username. The client is not a function. Okay. Client profile. Maybe I need. So that works, but then. Ew. What did I do here? I did register and missing components. What do you want? Okay. 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 What? What? The client? Wait, maybe I need to do the make build. No, I did make build, didn't I? Okay, let's try it again. But why? Client. We just add the server roads. Oh, I know. No. There should be roads somewhere in here. We need to add profiles router. No, not the profile. Profiles router. Now it should work. So need this nasty comments. Overriding dialog. You can specify priority option when calling at comp. Ew. Why you spam me? Okay. That looks good. Doesn't it? No, it's not. Something is still missing. Client procedure. Create tRPC client. Where is this? tRPC. Create tRPC client proxy. Okay, so I'm gonna have a look how the tRPC is structured in over here. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god, it basically got the hell out of me. So let's just start another Pomodoro. I love it. Oh my god, this is so nice. Love it. Oh, oh my god. Oh, I need water. Oh, this was so nice. Love it. 5 minutes. So imagine your boss is checking every 5 minutes on what you're doing. Basically, this Pomodoro guy in Pomodoro alarm is just like that. Where were we? We were looking at the tRPC and tRPC. Huh? What? Middleware? No middleware here. Yeah. Probably I'm just gonna do the same way as it was there because it was working there. So in the context, we made sure prisma event. I don't know, but I'm gonna do the same thing here. I just want to ensure that everything is cool. And here, app router looks good. Oh, this we copied, middleware prisma. Okay, maybe we need the middleware in the server middleware. Okay, and let's restart that. And let's focus now again on D4. So far so good. Okay. 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 One more try. That should be no rocket science. But we still have the same problem. The client procedure is not a function. Okay. So there is, I found yesterday a way that we can show to the cursor AI what browser console error gets, and we can maybe try it out if everything else fails. So I want to work here with only an ask. I don't want an agent. What is default? I don't want default. I want like the coolest model ever. Which one is this? Claude Sonnet, maybe? So I'm not gonna even ask anything. I'm just gonna say, hey, there is like here is the error, right? So Zod validation. Okay. Zod validation. I didn't even read like the whole thing. I just like on this point I'm like, okay, that might be the thing. Ow. I have to be more effective. What happened? Why is this different now to what I used to before? So maybe we need to use next out. Where is use next out? Why is it not showing up here? Don't I have a composable? You have use app out. No way. What hell is going on here? Maybe it should be query. And then So it says that I have to get the result. Okay, let's get the result. And then let's see what this result is. Right? Result, no. I mean, if result no is what we need. If not result, then return true, otherwise false. Okay. Test. Generate. Oh. Oh, no, 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 no. It worked. It worked. It did it. Let's check the user. Oh, no. It worked. Oh, oh my God. Oh, register. Finished. I don't know. Let's call it like that. That doesn't really matter. That doesn't matter. Done. Out form, not out form. Yeah. How does this is what I'm working on. Okay. So this is going to be not out form, it's login form. Change will be lost. Save. I'm working on the login form. Yeah. Nice. Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh, finally. Come on. We want login. All this form. Nope. Login form. And all this thing. Like, do we really need all of this stuff? No, we don't. So, totally forgot. We need to handle the navigation auth state. And we probably need to do it here. I guess the tRPC also finished. Yep. No, finish. Okay, so I'm gonna be on that. Why can't you just don't use this alerts and just do something nicer here? So, okay, the registration works. The login is now what I'm gonna be focusing on, and then the auth state, because you see the auth state, like this sign in button should be shown now because I'm actually logged in right now. And oh. Yeah, I know. And another thing is we need log out. Totally forgot about that. So oh, there is one thing that I was in my to-dos. I had times. So how much time did it take me? 11:50. So that was actually 33, 1 hour, 20 minutes. A little bit more than I thought, but actually 0. So you see, I did the tRPC and register form together. So here I tracked 0, here I tracked 1 hour, 20 minutes. And basically login form is also finished. So basically all this is 130 minutes. Well, I just need to check that it works. So there is a small update, right? So this file was actually useful, because here I'm not sure how I can add notes. Like login form, I start working 11:50. Can I use it like that? Okay. Why not? Why not? That's cool. Yoo-hoo. I want to test the login form. But how can I test it if I don't have a sign out? Auto form. Oh, no, 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 no. Do I want to use the auto form, or I don't want to use the auto form? Auto form is not ready. So, you know what? Auto form is such a nice idea. It's such a nice idea, but it's so badly implemented. So we'll need to address that. There was a like we worked on that already. We made a proposal. Like we have, but no, I just need a working solution. So unfortunately, that's not the way to go. Anyhow, it's easy to do. I just need here to get the same things as I have in the form. Like let's just take this form. Let's just put it here and see. We just need email, password, terms, info, and then so that button have to be a login button. And we have the terms info already there. So, and this is gonna call on submit. So this one also calls on submit. So we're not gonna use the username. We're gonna use only email and password. And I agree, we don't need here. We have just the terms info, which is fine. We have email, password, and then we need to do the same thing as we do in the registration form. So let's bring it here. Let's hide that part to have a more real estate. So in here, we just need to do the same thing with on submit. Shit. So that should be form submit and this one too. So unfortunately, that doesn't work this way. So we'll have to do just the same way, but it's just going to be login credentials, and then we have values, email, and password. So we can remove that. And then the form is, love that. Schema, email, password, minimum 8. That's fine. We probably don't need that part. What to do? So this is the login. So we had this email and the same was the password. Login. Ta-da! So login also works. Good. Login. Finished. Now, what? Where is my ding? So login finished. Finished in 3 minutes. Ta-da. So, we need a logout. It's gonna be easy. So let's start. For the logout, we're just gonna copy. Okay, sorry, I need to mark my time. Login form, I started 11:50, 11:53. I finished 3 minutes. So here we need the logout. 15 minutes, starting at 55. logout. Okay, cool. So we have a logout. Then we have the navigation state, nav auth state. We also have that part, so I think it shouldn't get too long. 15 minutes. Fine. First, logout. Logout first. So in 3.5, we're gonna look for sign out. I love that. That should be in the pages. Sign out. Should be fine. That should work, right? Okay. Let's test it. Sign out works. Logging out. Well, it's not very styled, but it works. So I assume that works. Add sign out. Nice. What was it? Okay, the to-dos. Log out 11:55. 0 minutes finished. Nav auth state. Okay, 11:55. Oh my god. This is now okay. I also gonna spend more time on just tracking the time. Logout finished. So now we can switch to navigation auth state. And also we have it done here. So we probably need to go to the main navigation and see how is it done here. Is logged in. So it should be over here. Is logged in. So we probably need, okay, hide that. That's fine. App main now, navigation, app now, app navigation. Oh. And here, auth is authenticated. Cool, love it. Probably have to remove that part. Anyhow, I don't need that. I'm not sure what's gonna be there, but we just need for now is logged in, and we need to switch the states. So if is logged in, then again for the mobile is logged in, handle sign out. How handle sign out is sign out. Handle sign out. We're gonna do like that. Is this fine? Sign in, sign out. Okay. So let's see how it goes. I'm not signed in now, am I? Nope. Let's see if I can log in. I can. Can I see the menu? Yes. Can I sign out? Yes. Again, test at test.com. Oh, sorry. Good. Let's test if I don't have account, it doesn't show me any error. Okay. We need to add it here. There is a new task now. Error handling. Error handling. It's gonna go next. Just notice that. So this one is finished, and it was finished in no time. It was 11:58, 3 minutes. Now Oh, what is the thing I was just talking about? Error handling. Error handling, I think it's gonna be like 15 minutes. Are we on it now? Yeah, the auth state is done, so yeah. 11:58. Basically started over there. Okay, so we're gonna say this was nav auth state. It's fine. Now error handling. So the so the error handling is happening with the toast with the view sooner. Is the view sooner is registered in the packages JSON? Yes. So the only thing is missing right now is in the app view sooner toast. What the hell is going on here? Oh no. What's so here we have different things. What? So this thought is a view sooner. But in the app view, we have a different one. Okay, you know what? Let's not overcomplicate things. Why, what's going on? Why is it so different? Probably we need all of this thing. Also, we have the auth pop-up. Probably we need the auth pop-up. Not sure yet. Maybe we don't. Anyhow, let's bring this up. Internationalization, not our focus right now. Sorry, guys, you have to go. Whoa. Okay, that's part of internationalization and all the other stuff. We don't need to change that, I guess. Don't need that, so let's just give it a go. And finally, we need to get the component from the UI. Sonar, components, UI, sonar. Let's see how you're done. Okay, that's fine. View zoner. That's the view zoner. Okay, so everything was right. Let's see how it goes. That's something going on. Start again. Noise. Let's do it again. Uh-oh. Are we running? We are running. That works fine. What if I do a test com again? Sign in failed. Check the details you provided are correct. Ta-da! Error handling is done. Error handling. Auth error handling. Working. Okay. Okay. Error handling is done. Oh. What is this? Why is it 2 times? Yeah, okay. Just come on. This tool is I don't want to update here stuff. I just want to use my okay, you know what? I don't want to, I just want to use the timer. I have my own method. I have my to-dos here. So and it's way easier for me to use my to-dos. So 12, 8, 5, and what I want to do here is like 8 minutes. Cool. Only refactor. Oh yeah, refactoring going to be done after the unit tests. But we need to check. Probably I'm gonna do UI UX polishing, and also we need like new design, implement new design. So with that, I can take a little bit more time. Like maybe also 1 hour. Have to think here a lot. So, and yeah, maybe we shall do the tests first. Not quite sure if the test is going to be cool. There's some refactoring to be done as well. So refactoring, let's give it 1 hour. So here we can write form folder into inputs. Then there was something like utils file and folder. Then there was some other stuff that I'm not really a big fan of. So nice. So maybe I shall visualize it like that. Okay, UX UI polishing or new design. Which one do we start first? So I wanted to see if it works now. If I use the valid credentials, yes, it is. But where do I expect to be? So it doesn't like when I'm logged in. Yeah, we now have another routing issues. We don't have the settings page. We don't have the profile page. I want to sleep. Getting hungry. I think my lunch time is coming up. Anyhow, where are we? What are we gonna do now? Though. Maybe it would be nice if I can go to my profile and edit my profile, right? Okay, but that's a new task, and we have a task for that, I guess. And then we have settings, and then we have admin area, and then we have a sign out, and the sign out probably already works, which is fine. But I don't see, like, who am I? What's my name? Good. I'm in a thinking mode right now. So how does it? Maybe username is Yeah, do we have, can one person have multiple profiles? What should be shown here? I'm not quite sure on that. But maybe we need to use something here to show like, hey, you're signed in with like, we only have like email and username right now. We can use either of those. Probably the username should be shown there. So, okay, I don't need 3.5 right now, do I? I think we already got everything that we needed as for now. So do we have something here that we can move out? So that's a mobile navigation. And the mobile navigation doesn't have all the things we have in the desktop navigation. That's not cool. We'll need to fix that. Anyhow, here, profile. Why do we call it profile? Why don't we call it here? Data, username, like I don't have a username. Do we have any information? What's going on? Can I? We are in the. Where is the page? Okay, data, username. Okay, data, username. That's all. Data username. I'm called test. And when should I just go to my profile? I don't want to edit profile, right? I just want to go to the profile directly. So, and we don't have the new routing set up yet. So how do we handle that? So the old way was something like that, but of course that won't work now. Maybe it should say like add to make it more clear that it's. Now, well, I should recognize my username here, right? Well, at least that's already better. But I don't see my profile page right now. Not cool. We need a ticket for that. So okay. At least I'm gonna write it in my to-dos. So we need the my profile view page, and I need like the settings page and edit my profile. I'm pretty sure we already have issues for that. So I guess that part is done. I have nothing else here to add. So that was how many minutes? 8 minutes. Also practicing my math skills. Calculating as a calculator. 13. Implement new design. Oh, no. No, implementing new design going to be later. Now we're going to focus on E2E tests. Though, So we addressed this, we have that, sign out works. But now I think it's time to, what was it? Okay. Oh, mobile navigation is not done yet. Okay. So, and then we probably need to do it mobile nav. Shouldn't take long. Let's focus on the tests. So, app nav auth username. Show out user. Okay, right. App nav should have said nav. Nice. Cool. What's next? I don't know. I need a break. I need to eat. I don't have anything to eat. Oh no, my plans. Today's Wednesday. My plans need to eat too. My water's finished. There's so many signals that I just need to make a break. But because of my childhood, I can't, because my granny always said, until you finish the work, you can't eat. So I have another 15 minutes right now, which I have to do these tests in 15 minutes. But can I really do it? That's the challenge. So, though we have here unit tests, not sure if we have some things for the unit tests as well. So if you noticed, so there are some ideas for refactoring. So I don't think this schema belongs into this form. It have to be in one place, as well as these validators. They can be used in any places as well. So and maybe that can be nicer, but that's not a big deal. And yeah, the unit test can be very good for, that part, like that we are actually testing in this form. Hey, what if I try to so many things here, like that the username is validated properly, that it checks if it was actually taken already or not, and stuff like that. But for E2E tasks, we're going to focus on the successful state, like that user journey goes. Maybe there can be also tasks like, hey, maybe if I put some wrong data, it gives me an error message, like if everything actually works. But for the end-to-end tests, I also don't know like what would be the proper structure here for the tests. Maybe we Pomodoro, love you. So end-to-end tests are over here, and we have the features, and we need a new feature that is called authentication feature. And let's get started. Okay, maybe I already have a task. I do have a task as a user. As a user, I want to log in to the new system so that I can access my account with updated and access account. As a user, I want to scenario feature how thing scenario. Help me here. Let's see. Can AI help me with end-to-end tests? You see, when using the AI, you need to know when to use AI. You don't have to use AI all the time. But in that case, I love it. I love all these test scenarios, just as they are. And let's see the step definitions. Probably it's fine. Still thinking, so I'm fine with it thinking. But now we changed only the tests. So what we can do, we need still running application. I always forgetting that to run the tests. Thank you. I was focused. And another thing that I'm using is called Remarkable. And before I had Remarkable, I was using papers and a lot of papers. Maybe one day I'll show you how many papers. and this thing is quite expensive, but also it's very good. It's actually replacing me all the papers. And now I have here a lot of pages. So it just takes some time for it to start, and sometimes I need to charge it. But apart from that, I'm super happy about it. And it's just faster to catch your ideas or anything you want to do instead of using your phone or audio notes or like your laptop. It's just way faster to catch your ideas in Remarkable or on the paper. So here I had an idea I want to write down right now. So I wrote here a few ideas for later. Okay, nice. Now we can start the end-to-end test and see if it was working. If it is working. So here I just need probably do npm install, I'm not sure, and then npm test. And his version has, no, that's fine. But we need to fix this. So I need to write down this in my to-dos. So end-to-end tests have this error message, so we'll address it later. Okay. Something is going on. The tests are running. And 2 minutes, and then I go to lunch. 2 minutes, and I go to lunch. 2 minutes, and I go to lunch. But there is a failure. Oh no, that means I can't eat. I can't. I shall order some food. Oh, which food do I order today? I can cook. Can I cook? Nah, not today. I want to focus on doing things. I will be doing shopping in Flink. It's fine. I haven't tried that for a long time. Okay. Think we are fine here. Oh, into what do I have? Maybe I have enough. Okay. I have a few things. I got it. I think that's fine. I need to do delivery. I don't care about the delivery, €2. It's fine. I have enough money to pay. Yeah. Investments going up. Love it. Okay, let's keep it. 100 here. Finally, I can pay. I can pay. All right. I'm not sure what's going on here with end-to-end tests, but now I do have some time. Is there any way that, sorry, I just want to test auth feature. Can I do that? Oh, the Pomodoro is not running. Okay, filter. Is it? Okay. So many tests. But what is actually going on here? I don't need this scenario. Okay. What if I remove this and see if it works? 1, 2, 3, 4. Why is it 3, 4? What? That. Ah. I think I'm just gonna add this test as is. Auth end-to-end. But they're gonna be failing right now because I check name, email, consent. Okay. So do we have check name? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Okay, I don't need that. I need to sign out. I need to sign in, sign up. So this guy should have a name what is this is the button and this is the button, this is the okay, and this button, does it have a name? So that rolled in. Okay. ID is Radix. Data state unchecked, checked, area checked, role checkbox. You know what? That's not gonna work. So that is the agent. That's fine. Survey. What? So yeah, also maybe I deactivate these tests for now. Just see if this works. Did it? Then I should be ready, and I should be logged in. I should be logged in. Part is not working. Okay, is there Gherkin language plugin? Fail. Full language support. Quite a lot of people using that, so. Oh, nice. And if I want to, I can do it like that. Yeah, cool. Then I should be logged in. I should log in. No, it's not how we're gonna test it. No. So, do. And come on, just you can, just why are you so unsure? Come on. How many times you have to think about it? What you don't? No way. Okay, I love that. I love that part. That works. Will everything else work as well? Probably not. The hell? Oh, okay, okay, okay. At least one error. Like, it's not possible. That is 2 errors. Okay, okay, cool, cool, cool. I like it. Receive string sending there. Okay, I mean, that's fine. Let's just discard all of that. At least the part of that is working. And I'm happy with that. Everything else is going to be the other story. But what I'm not happy about is that we don't have that. So it's not finished. That's fine. So I started with 13 and now it's 12:43, which is 30 minutes. So this is done. Mobile navigation. Now, first it's going to be this. But it's going to be after the break. So it's going to be probably at 3 p.m. So for now, I'm done for now. So, and today I will do the live coding with Cursor AI at 4 p.m. Berlin time. And I'll be happy to answer all your questions. So you can sign up for that. So maybe shall I just send you in the chat here? Live coding Cursor AI. March 12th March at 16 CST. And I'll send you the link. So you can, sign up for another live coding session. So thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, please drop in the comments. And we'll do in other sessions, I guess. Yep. Have a nice day. That's been it.